Hey guys, today I'm excited to explain a detailed implementation of a level order iterator class within a binary tree class in Java, along with a method to retrieve iterator and a demonstration of its usage. We will also delve into the line by line explanation of the code and analyze the time complexities associated with each method. Let's start by discussing the complete implementation of our binary tree and level order iterator. First, we have the binary tree class, which contains an inner node class. The node class represents a node in binary tree and has fields for a data and pointers to the left and right children. Here is a breakdown of each part. A node class defines a node with data, left and right pointers. The constructor initializes the node's data and sets left and right pointers to null. And then binary tree constructor initializes the binary tree with the root set to null. And add method, a public method to add data to the tree. It calls add recursive to insert data into the correct position. Sorry for my accent. And then get level order iterator method returns a new instance of a level order iterator. Next, let's discuss the level order iterator class, which performs level order traversal. Here's a breakdown of each part. Constructor initializes the iterator with a queue and adds to the root to the queue if it's not null. Has next method checks if there are more nodes to visit by verifying if the queue is empty. And next method retrieves the next node in the order, adds its left and right children to the queue and returns the current node's data. And yes, let's discuss the time complexities of our methods. And add method. Yes, add method. The time complexity is O log n for a balanced tree and On for an unbalanced tree, as adding an element involves a traversing from the root to the correct position. And yes, has next method. The time complexity is O1 since it simply checks if the queue is empty. Next method. The time complexity is O1 for retrieving the next node. However, adding children nodes to the queue might involve O1 for each node. And yes, anything else? Overall level order traversal using iterator. And yes, time complexities is On, and each node is processed exactly once. And next method, I might say, adding children nodes to the queue might involve O1 for each node. Yes, and then thank you for your attention. I hope this explanation has been clear and helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And yes,